Hi! So I have been bored lately with my hair and I don't know what to do. I added like this blonde piece in here and I've kind of wondered what my whole head would look like blonde. I've tried to do it in the past, but I've never had the right dyes and I've never used toner before. So I kind of just want to do it. I have a couple days off work, so I figure if it looks like crap, I can just fix it. So I don't know. I don't really know how long the process is gonna take. I'm gonna try and do it slowly. I don't want to like immediately be bleach blonde from this. I think my hair will all fall off. So I'm trying to be smart about it. So I'm gonna put some bleach in today. Probably, I don't know, maybe only 20 minutes, a very short time, because I don't want to kill my hair. And then we'll see in a few days what it'll look like. All right, here we go. Okay, so I put bleach in my hair for about 20 minutes, and it's this really lovely, beautiful, brassy orange. But that's okay. I didn't want to leave the bleach in too long because I definitely did not, want all my hair to fall out. So today we are going to do another round of bleaching, and then I'm going to put toner on it for any residual orangey. I mean, I think this is just lovely. I don't know about you. I think this is my new hair color. But see, the thing is, I feel like people could pull this off, and I cannot. My plan was to not dye my roots until the very end, but I kind of like the rooty look, so I think we're gonna keep it. Plus, I ran out of bleach, so there's that. Okay, so I'm gonna do another round of bleaching, and also, after I do like the bleaching and rinse it out, I put a hair mask over it, so it's definitely damaged a bit, but you know what? That's okay. I'm trying to be as safe as I can with it, but I mean, the reason I didn't go to a salon is because I'm poor. So if my hair falls out, it's on me. I take full responsibility. So, all right. Oh, hello. So I bleached my hair, and this is what happened. It's still like a piss yellow, brassy color, but it's closer to what I want. I'm going to use Color Brilliance Ion hair dye. I'm going to mix a couple together. I have two very light ash blonde and one lightest natural blonde. And I already tried one of those here. So that's like a gray blondish that I want all over. So, I mean, you can see like the difference between those. So I'm gonna put this in for about 15-20 minutes, and then we will see. I'm excited. Hoping it turns out okay. My hair hasn't fallen out yet, so I think that's a pretty good sign. Or I can just leave it like this. Oh yeah. Oh no. Oh no. So, I added like an ash intensifier, and it turned my hair like a gray blue, and I hate it. And I'm stupid, because I had a little test strip and it looked good, but for the little strip I didn't add any ash intensifier. So now I'm like, fuck. My hair looks really gross right now, and I'm very, very upset. I am trying to function as a normal person today. I'm probably gonna have to go and get more hair dye at the store. Like it, I don't know. It looks better than it did, but I screwed it up. Oh my god. So I'm gonna get more hair dye. Try and fix it. This is a fail video. Oh my god. Thank you for joining me. I'll see you later. Okay, so I dyed my hair again and I hate it. I'm just gonna go dark. This has been a fail and oh my god, I'm not wearing any makeup right now because I'm so distraught and upset. Oh my god. My hair is so damaged and I'm just gonna do it dark and pray that it looks normal because I have to work in like 2 days. Ugh. This has been a fail. I don't even want to take it down right now, but oh my god. I learned my lesson. I fucked up. Okay. Fuck. So, this is the mop that is on my head now. I'm so upset. I'm so mad at myself. Why did I think I could get ashy blonde hair in like a 5-day period? Why? It looks better than it did. I'll go through my whole process. You can see in the videos the different colors. Thursday was the first time I bleached it and I was like, alright, I'm gonna let it sit. Well, I bleached it and then I was like, I'm gonna let it rest overnight and lift it again the next day. Bleached it again the next day and it looked crazy, but I was like, oh, this is fine. I'll just put in the dark blonde later that night. I did a test strip and I really loved the way it looked. It was like this nice ashy dark blonde. I was like, oh, that's perfect. It looks so nice, like dark roots going into this ashy blonde. It looks so pretty. So I mixed that stuff and then I found I had bought this ash intensifier that you can put a few drops in. I think that's, I mean, that's not where I went wrong, but that's when my roller coaster ride did a steep downhill, just, whew. It was already bad from the beginning, but that's when it really just like hit the ground. Anyway, I put a few drops of that in. As soon as I put it on my hair, it started turning like a blue-gray and I was like, I didn't know what to do. So I just put the rest on my hair. I'm like, maybe it'll wash out. Maybe the ash intensifier is like, I don't even know. Oh my god, my hair looks so bad right now. So I did that and I was just horrified and upset with how it looked. The next day, I just had it in a bun for most of the day. Then I went to the store and bought dark blonde, like light brown hair dye, and I was like, alright, I'm gonna mix these together. I'm gonna put it on, because I just need to get this gross color out. All it did was lighten up my roots to this, like, dark blonde. And I'm like, okay, cool. So that was Saturday. Yeah. Thursday, first bleach. Friday, second bleach, dark blonde. Saturday, tried to fix it. Sunday, I was like, alright, fuck all this. I went to the store and bought I had 2 brunette hair dyes. And there was like a lighter brunette, and I was like, I mean, we'll see what happens. This is what happened. So my roots are this really pretty like brown color, but then it fades into a sewage green-gray, and I'm not really feeling it. It's also still damp from almost 24 hours ago. Because my hair is so damaged, it's trying to hold on to any moisture it can, so it's just not drying. So I have hair dye that I bought, but I decided that I'm gonna put in, I have a keratin protein mask that I'm going to put on. I'm just gonna try. If this doesn't, I'm gonna put this treatment on, and if it helps my hair, I'm not expecting a miracle here, but if it helps enough, I'm gonna put the brunette hair dye I have on. So then tomorrow when I go to work, I won't look insane, and they'll never know that my whole weekend was crazy. So I'm going to put this on and pray, and then if it doesn't work, I'm just gonna go to the store later, and they have I think they have spray. They have spray like for ladies, if your roots are growing in any grays, you can just like spray it. I'm gonna get that, and then I'm gonna put my hair in a bun and spray the shit out of that. Because I really like this like brownish root color. I think it's pretty, but I don't think that this is pretty. And I mean, it's definitely damaged. I can feel it, you can see it, but it's not as bad as it could be. So I'm praying that this keratin stuff works, or I'm just gonna wear my hair like this and never take my hair down. So I'm gonna put this stuff in, and I'll get back to you maybe today if it is okay, or maybe tomorrow. I don't know. It says to leave it on for 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do some research because I really want to leave it on longer. I'll leave it on longer. Let me do research, because I swear to God, if any more hair falls out, I might scream, and then I might shave my head, and my boyfriend said he doesn't want me with a shaved head. So, oh God, this video is 6 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna do what I can do. Pray for me. Okay. Okay. This has been a hair experience. So, you saw all the videos I posted before, and it was just disgusting. So, I found black hair dye and red hair dye that I previously had and put it on my head, and that seemed to be the only color that my gross damaged hair was holding. So I left that in for 2-3 weeks, and you know, it started washing out, so you can kind of see like where I had bleached it. It turned into like a brownie color because the red was washing out, but it wasn't totally washing out. I was just happy I had a normal hair color because I had to work, and it was just a pain in my ass. And then a couple nights ago, I found this hair color remover stuff. So I'm like, I'm gonna start getting this shit out of my hair. I don't know why, I was just like, I just wanted all the hair dye out. So I did the bottoms, and it turned into this like peachy pinky color. Let me take my hair out of the braids. So I kind of like the color. I didn't apply it that well, but I did it at the bottom because I feel like the top is so damaged that it would not take any. Like in the mirror, it looks better than it does on camera. It looks like there's a line. There kind of is, but when I had it in the braid, it helped it look kind of normal. but I actually like the color. I don't know if I want to do it all throughout, because I do actually really like this color. I'm gonna wait till I have a couple days off work. I know I'm insane, I should not put anything else in my hair, okay? But I have been using like a protein like hair mask every couple days. I'll put it on for like 40 minutes and wash it out. Like, even this is so much better than what it was. Oh my god, it was disgusting. This side's worse. Basically, my hair has been falling out every time I brush it. I get a huge clump of hair, and here's what happens. So I have this because when I would bleach my hair, I put it all in a top bun. So I think, pretty sure that was my fatal mistake, because I have all this hair that I would just hold it and I could pull it and it would just come right off. So it's basically all this. I'm just thankful that it's like long enough that I can like do something with it. See, that's how damaged it is. I can alfalfa it. And it's definitely a lot thinner because my hair is falling out. But I have barely been using shampoo. I've been using deep conditioner and that protein treatment, and it is so much better than it was. So I kind of learned my lesson. Don't expect it to take a couple days to go from dark to blonde, because guess what happened? I basically ended up with the same hair color that I had before I started bleaching, and with half the hair in my head. So I'm gonna keep using the treatment. I actually love this bottom color. Someone at work was like, what are you gonna do with your, like, when are you gonna do something with that? I'm like, I'm not. Right now, I'm not gonna touch this, okay? I'm gonna keep using my treatments and, you know, try to restore some of it back to normal. But I am actually loving this. I might try and have it, see, it's scary when I say I'm going to try to do something, because what if my hair starts falling out again? This is the best it has looked. And from my last video, it has literally been like 3 weeks. It has been 3 weeks of me not doing anything to it. I put it in a bun or I put it in braids. I don't brush it a lot because I'm scared every time to look at the hairbrush. But, you know, I did this to me. So long story short, I learned my goddamn lesson. I'm actually kind of happy with the color once I actually get it to how I want it. I wish my hair wasn't like falling out, but whatever. What can you do? I learned my lesson. Because I am poor and don't want to go to a stylist, even though I know I should. I know I should, okay? I know I'm an idiot. I know I screwed up. But I wanted to do it myself. And I think I could have if I had taken more time. But shit happens. So here we are. And I'm going to end this video because it's 6 minutes too long. Here's my hair. I learned my lesson. And see, that's not cool. That's not good. I'll probably do another treatment tonight on this mop. Thanks. Thanks for coming with me on my hair journey. I had a blast. Not really. Okay. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.